What's up guys, it's Roder Avat here and I'm back with another vlog. So for today's video, I'm so excited to share this to you guys kasi finally nakabili na rin po ako ng aking first ever vlogging camera. Yay! Before kasi ang ginagamit ko ng pang-vlog is yung iPhone ko na ginagamit ko ngayon. Hindi na rin kinakaya ng storage ng iPhone, so sabi ko kailangan ko na talagang bumili ng pang-vlog na camera. Ito na, thank God, nabili na rin po natin siya. Yes! So, ang gagawin natin sa video nito is i-unbox natin ng camera ang binili ko and bibigyan natin siya ng review. So, before we start this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button and also click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag meron ako mga bagong uploads. And also, please follow me on my social media accounts. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So, ito siya guys, nabili ko siya sa Henry's Camera dyan sa SM North. So, shout out dyan sa mga taga Henry's Camera dyan sa SM North. Ang bait po na nag-assist sa amin dyan. So, inside this paper bag, syempre yung camera ang binili natin. So, kapag binili yung camera, meron na siyang kasamang mga freebies. So, ito po yung mga freebies. We'll talk about this later. So, iset aside muna natin siya. Let's talk about the camera. So, this is the camera. Tabi muna natin to. So, ito yung camera ang binili ko. This is the Sony ZV-1. So, let's open the box. So, inside the box, of course, the papers or the manuals. But, we're not going to read this kasi magiging mahaba lang ang video kapag binasa ko pa ito. So, kayo na lang kapag bumili kayo. And also, we have here the charging cable for charger, of course, or transferring your files to your computer. And also, we have here the dead cat. This dead cat will help us to lessen the wind noise kapag masyadong mahangin. And also, we have here the NPPX1 battery. So, we're going to talk about this later. And of course, the camera itself. So this is the Sony ZV-1. So this is the Sony ZV-1. So the measurement of this camera is 105.5 by 60 by 43.5 mm, and the weight is approximately 0.267 kg, and the sensor size is 12.80 by 9.60 mm. And as for the lens, the Sony ZV-1 comes with a size 1.8 aperture at 24 mm and 2.8 aperture at 70 mm. And now let's go to resolution and frame rate. So the Sony ZV-1 can shoot up to 4K at 30 frames per second, 1080p at 120 frames per second, 420p at 960 frames per second. The Sony ZV-1 has a cool feature called Product Showcase. Itong Product Showcase, itong feature na to is pag meron kayong pinakitang item sa harap niya, mabilis siya mag-focus dito. Hindi niya na kailangan gumamit ng kamay, hindi niya na kailangan, kunyari ito, hindi niya na kailangan kagaya na ginagawa ng mga ibang vloggers dyan kasi magpo-focus siya agad. Isa yun sa mga dahilan kung bakit ko siya binili. So the Sony ZV-1 does a great job in image stabilization, and it also has a feature called Steady Shot. All you have to do is turn on this feature kung gusto mo maging stable ang shot mo. So that's another cool feature na meron ng Sony ZV-1. So now, pag-usapan naman natin ang photos. So the Sony ZV-1 can shoot a great image also. It's not just, hindi lang siya pang video or pang vlog. Pwede rin siyang pang photoshoot. Magpapakita na lang ako sa inyo ng sample na kuha ko gamit ng Sony ZV-1. So makikita niyo na lang dyan sa inyong screen. And now let's go to audio quality. The mic of this camera is placed at the top, and beside of this mic, this is where we're going to put the dead cat to lessen the wind noise, or you can also put the light or the mic if you have. So I'm gonna show you another example with or without dead cat. Hi guys, so this is what it looks like without dead cat. Kung may narinig kayong background noise o wind noise dahil dahil naka-turn on yung electric fan para matest natin kung malaki ba ang magiging improvement kapag nilagay natin ang dead cat. So, you'll be the judge guys. Hi guys! So, this is what it looks like with dead cat. Kung napansin nyo, nag-lessen ng wind noise dahil yun kinabitan natin ng Sony ZV-1 ng dead cat. So, you'll be the judge kung malaki ba ang improvement sa paglalagay natin ng dead cat, sa pag-lessen ng wind noise. And now, let's go to the screen. The screen is only tap to focus. You can't adjust the settings through the screen. So another cool feature of this camera is you can flip the screen. So madali mo makikita yung sarili mo kapag nagre-record ka o nagsi-selfie ka. So ngayon naman pag-usapan natin ang battery. So kapag binili niyo na yung camera, meron na siyang kasamang battery. So ang battery niya is Sony NBB X1. So this is 1240 mAh. So nung ginamit ko tong camera na to, nag-last yung battery niya ng mga kulang-kulang 2 hours. So siguro depende na lang din sa paggamit nyo kung gaano siya katagal maglalas. Pero for me, I think kailangan ko pang bumili ng extra batteries para kapag nag-vlog ako, hindi agad siya malulobat. May kapalit kapag nalobat ang isang battery. So ngayon pag-usapan naman natin ng mga freebies or accessories na kasama niya kapag binili niyo yung camera. So, first we have here the shooting grip, the VCT SG-R1 shooting grip. So, napakaganda nitong freebies na to kasi pwede mo na makontrol ang camera gamit ang shooting grip na to. So, meron ditong button for taking a photo or recording a video. At dito sa may gitna naman ang zoom in and zoom out. All you have to do is connect the cable to the camera dyan sa may gitna. And this can also be a small tripod. Pwede mo siyang ilapag sa mesa at mag-video. And another accessory na kasama kapag binili mo yung camera is yung pouch niya mismo. Para dito mo ilalagay yung camera kapag di mo ginagamit or yung mga accessories. So, nasa isang bag lang sila. So, another accessories we have is, siyempre, ang memory card na 64GB Sony memory card. Meron din siyang kasamang hand strap para safe nga yung camera at hindi agad mahulog. So, kung ako yung tatanungin guys, sa tingin ko naman worth itong nabili ko. Wala akong dapat pagsisihan. Dapat lang kasi ang mahal nito. So, yeah, kung mapansin nyo sa mga susunod kong video, medyo maganda na ang quality. Malamang ginagamit ko na itong Sony CD1 camera. So, that's it guys. I hope you like this video. And if you do like this video, please hit the like button and also click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa aking mga susunod na video. And please also subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media accounts. So, yeah, see you again on my next vlog. Bye-bye!